Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the developer console and check for errors or missing assets. Look for 404, undefined variables, and timing warnings. Confirm animation files load from the correct path and server. Verify the CDN or local URL matches your build configuration. Clear browser or engine cache and force a full resource reload. Disable aggressive caching and service workers if present. Note the engine or runtime version and any recent updates that might affect playback. Verify the animation runtime version matches the exported format. Confirm that Lottie, Spine, or Engine plugin versions align with your files. Check sprite sheets and texture atlases for correct coordinates and trimmed margins. Inspect UVs and pivot points for any off-by-1 pixel errors. Ensure frame rate and duration parameters match playback expectations and timeline settings. Validate interpolation types and easing curves in the runtime match the editor settings. Re-export animations with embedded timing and 60 FPS if frames drop. Include all referenced assets and embed vector shapes when possible. Update the runtime plugin or fall back to a known stable version that previously worked. Test with a minimal scene to isolate conflicts from other systems. Keep file sizes below 5 MB per animation to reduce memory and decode time. Profile CPU and GPU usage while playing to identify bottlenecks or thread starvation issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.